Hi, it's Anna with WTI. You want some mealworms?
Well, these chickens did, and I bet yours will too. This is a 10-pound bag of dried mealworms by Hatortempt. We went and fed my friend's chickens with these, and my kids had a blast because it was so fun seeing these chickens go crazy over these mealworms. These are really nicely dried and crispy. I mean, just listen to this. Yep, your chickens are going to love them. So not only will your chickens love them, but my friend definitely agrees that feeding your chickens mealworms is highly beneficial for them. It really improves the quality of their feathers and their eggs, which is really nice for you because then you get better eggs. He said the yolks are more yellow, the shells are harder, they're just higher quality. This is a great size bag because 10 pounds of mealworms, that's a lot of mealworms. So that's lots of handfuls for your little flock of chickens. So if you want to keep your chickens in the highest quality state they can be, get them some mealworms from Hatortempts. They will love them, and you will love feeding them to them and watching them go crazy over these little things. It's super cute.
And that's my point of view.